Hey guys, this is Parinita. I'm the engineering manager for the quality engineering team at Reddit, and my team is mostly focused on building tools and frameworks that help catch issues early on in the development cycle. I joined Reddit back in 2017 where nobody knew what Reddit was. So major challenge then was to reduce the end-to-end, release cycle time. We definitely wanted to find a good device farm tool that we could integrate with and run these tests at scale, because now from zero tests, we have like 3,000 tests that we wanted to run almost every day. That's where we started, looking for tools and ended up being with BrowserStack, which stood out when we had the evaluation with the competitor. Our regression cycle time was 5 days, and we were able to cut it down to a few hours. So right now, if we have a bug out there that is like a very bad bug and we want to fix it as soon as possible, our end-to-end time to get it out the door is couple of hours. There were a bunch of features that we found only available in BrowserStack that we, thought was clear winner for us. Obviously, the integration with our CI/CD pipeline was pretty smooth. So in the evaluation period, it took us like maybe less than few days to get it integrated to our test framework and start seeing results. Like if we kick off a job running like a subset of tests, we'll get a very nice report which will tell us like what all tests ran, what were the different steps that were followed in the test. There will be a nice video to show you what exactly ran in the app behind the scenes. And if it failed, there was like logs and video that you could look that would help you to debug the problem. We do test any new OS versions that's coming in the market to make sure our app is working as expected on them. So recently we did exhaustive testing on iOS 26 that came out in the market, and BrowserStack was very helpful because they already had the beta versions available and we could leverage that to continue our testing. And I think we have seen that BrowserStack is usually ahead of other competitors when it comes to making the new OS version available across devices. Apart from this, there were like other features that caught our attention. There was like ability to set geolocation, so we could run our suite in different locales. So that was a big win for us and something that we wanted a device farm to offer as well. There were other good features like capability to simulate network. It helps us test our app against like bad network conditions just to make sure our error handling is good. We are not just crashing the app if network conditions are not good, and we are catering to that user experience as well. Initially, we were doing one release every 2 weeks. Now we're doing weekly releases. So that has sped up how frequently we can release our app to our users. App Automate has enabled us to ship left to be able to catch issues early on in the development cycle. So it has definitely helped us improve automation coverage on our pipelines. And when I say pipelines, there's like a nightly test pipeline, there is like a pre-merge pipeline. So we had like 0 test coverage. Now we have greater than 90% of our P0 user flows covered there. I think it gives us a lot more confidence in our releases than before. Very recent win, which I can share, we had using App Automate, was as we are expanding in emerging markets, and right now we are focused in Asia Pac. So we wanted to have some kind of testing that would help us catch some performance issues that these markets are experiencing. And we were looking to run our suite and low-end, device tiers. And we found devices readily available in App Automate to test that experience. We could run like sanity tests that we have already built. We could catch issues that helped us debug the performance issues that users were facing with the logs that App Automate provides. It's been very stable for us, both on iOS and Android, and also web integration has been pretty stable. So definitely would recommend it if you're looking to scale up your testing pipeline and want to integrate with a partner where flakiness due to environment or devices is pretty low.